for coming back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting. It is another collab video. This one is with Donna, who's my new obsession on YouTube. And the way I found her was I think I googled how to, or a tutorial on the electric palette. And then we ended up using the same purple in the palette. So we thought it would be really fun to do a look with using the Urban Decay electric palette, because this is actually how we met, virtually met, I should say. It would be really cool to meet her in person though. But anyway, she's hilarious. I love watching her channel. Every single video she like says something super funny and I can totally relate to it, and I just love her so much. And I'm super excited because this video is going up on my birthday, which is super exciting. It's not my birthday right now, obviously, but it will go up on my birthday, so I just think it's super special that I get to do a video with one of my favorite YouTubers. So I am going to show you how to do this look. So we decided it would be a super fun thing to do, to pick a color in this palette for the other person to use. I forget which ones I picked for her, but you'll have to go watch that video. She picked the shade Slow Burn, which is this one right here. It is a nice bright orange color. So I'm going to be using that in some way today, and you can kind of see how I used it because I did this look already. But yeah, I'm really excited. Definitely go check out her video, and if you want to see how to achieve this look, then just keep watching. To start, what I did was I actually used the All I Need Is Magic. Oh, All I See Is Magic. I never knew that was what it was called. All I See Is Magic. And this, I wanted to use the shade Imperial, I believe it is. No, I never know how to like read this, but anyway, it's this one right here. It's a nice crease color, and we're gonna start off by doing that. And we're just gonna pile this shade on. Blend you, I was gonna say blend you in, oh my god, zoom you in. So, sorry about that, I should have done that in the beginning, but here we are. So this is just a nice transition color for the shade Slow Burn, which is right here. It's got some sparkle to it, but once you blend it out, it is perfection. I'm gonna take that on my brush, and it just makes it more bold and defined. And we could definitely go back in and reapply, but right now this is doing pretty good. Okay, so for the lid, what I did, that rhymes, this shade called Jilted right here. I put that all over my lid. This is a really pretty shade, and it just happens to like match my shirt pretty perfectly. So actually I totally did that on purpose. So I'm going to be reapplying that as well, but for now, one of my favorite tricks about this palette is to use the silver, which is called Revolt, and I'm going to use that as a topper. So we're going to do a spotlight eye, which you might think is probably like the easiest way of using this palette, but this is just like one of my favorite techniques. I'm just going to pile this on in the center. I can never find the center of my lid though. I don't know why. Like, you would think it would be like an easy thing, but every time I move my lid, it like is weird. I don't know. See, okay, so I definitely want to reapply that purple on the outside, so I'm taking that shade Jilted. We're just gonna kind of go like that and just reapply it. That's what reapply is. And now I'm gonna have to reapply the silver, which is fine. Just a little bit. You can see that I'm not going to wet this shade just because I don't feel like you need to. You can, but I don't really want to. And I'm gonna reapply that purple once again. And now we're gonna blend the whole thing. It's a really quick, easy eye look when you do a spot look. Wow. It's a really quick eye look, I feel, when you do a spotlight eye. At least to me, I don't know. I do my eye looks pretty quickly, honestly, unless I'm like really lazy and don't know what I'm doing pretty much. The other thing that I did was I took another shade from that All I See Is Magic, this one right here, and I'm just gonna trace the edges just in case there's any harshness, and we're gonna blend everything together. I do want to reapply that slow burn shade, so I'm reaching into that right now. Yeah, definitely needed that. And okay, so that's pretty much the eye look done. I really like it, actually. I'm going to put some, actually, I don't know if I want to put eyeliner on. Should I just leave it as is? I want to use the purple eyeliner, but at the same time, I don't like doing a eyeliner with my, hold on, I have like sparkle all over my eye. I don't like doing eyeliner with a spotlight eye, just because I have sparkle literally all over my face. I keep interrupting myself. So yeah, I don't like doing any eyeliner with a spotlight eye just because I feel like it takes away from the eyeshadow, so we're not gonna do that, but I am gonna zoom you guys back out, and what I'm gonna do is do my base face, like my foundation, my concealer, all that, eyebrows, and then I'll come back for blush, brush. I cannot talk today. I will come back for blush and bronzer and highlighter and all that because my eye look was kind of quick today. So I will be right back. So I'm back. I did my brows, my face, everything is done. And we're going to do blush, bronzer, highlight, and I think that should be it. I am going to use the NYX Cosmetics Sweet Cheeks palette. And I think what I'm going to do is use a super neutrally orange shade, which is this one right here. And then I might top it off with that golden shade. I love doing that. Especially, I love actually blush toppers in general. I think they're really fun. Smashbox, in their Transform and Create palette, they have a lot of cool blush toppers, and I've been using them a lot this week. I really like blush toppers a lot. It's basically just a highlighter. So with your highlighter, you can create a blush topper. It's really cool. Oh, I just saw a pink blush topper, so I'm actually gonna try that today. First, I want to get this all over my cheeks. And what I'm going to do is take, I think this one, I'm going to try this. It is not showing up, completely getting washed out, but I promise it's pink. See how pretty that is? Especially with this eye look. Alright, and then we're going to blend the crap out of that. You guys, I feel like I've been up for like 5 hours already and it's only 10:30. God. I don't know why, but it does. We do have blush topper on, but I just really want to put highlighter on too. So I'm going to take the highlighter from my Wet n Wild trio that I've already hit pan on. This is in my project pan that is called Pan That Pan. And I want to try to finish this because that would be amazing. And I really like this highlighter because it's very like metallic without being glittery. Those are honestly my favorite kind of highlighters. I don't mind a glittery highlighter every now and then, but this one is just so pretty, I feel like. And the Fenty Beauty highlighters are kind of like this too. And I've hit pan. Oh my god, hello. We came to play today, didn't we? And I kind of want to repurchase the Fenty one that I have because I really like it, but I'm gonna finish it first. Alright, and for bronzer, I think I'll just go right in with the bronzer in this palette. It is kind of light for me, but I'm gonna use it anyway. And if you didn't understand what I just said, I said, but I'm going to use it anyway. Sometimes my words like string together. Bronzer is actually working pretty well for me. I thought it was light, but it's not. Now for lips, what do I want to do for lips? I'm gonna use Maybelline's Touch of Spice. I kind of want a gloss. I think I'm gonna use this Ulta Beauty one. It's kind of a nice corally one. So this is the finished look and I really like how it turned out. I think it came out really, really good. And I cannot wait to see what Donna comes up with. You guys have to go check her out. I am so happy with this look, you guys. Like, I feel like it came out so good. I love the pairing with my eyes and my lips and then my shirt. It just like tops it off. And I cannot wait to go see Donna's look. You guys have to make sure you check her out. I'll have her listed below. She's literally one of my favorite YouTubers. I think I mentioned her in my favorite beauty blogger video. So I definitely really like her. And she's super nice and funny. And you guys will absolutely love her. Sorry, there's a piece of hair somewhere where it's not supposed to be. But yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys like it. Give it a big thumbs up. And if you're from Donna's channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. That way you don't miss one of my new videos. I have a lot coming for you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!